Hey everyone, welcome back to Techneox, where I tell it like it is. You're back. Oh right, you had the iPhone 16 last year. Yep, I remember. Well, you're here for some advice, and I've got good news and bad news. The bad news is your old phone didn't survive. The good news is you won the lottery. Money is no object. That makes you the perfect customer because you can buy whatever phone you want. When it comes to choosing the right iPhone, most people assume that the most expensive and most advanced model is automatically the best option. But in reality, the smartest choice for most users is the standard iPhone 17. Even if you have no budget limits, the regular iPhone 17 delivers almost everything the average person, and even many power users, actually need on a daily basis. It offers a fast and responsive display, reliable MagSafe compatibility, strong performance, and impressive battery life. On top of these practical benefits, it has a more subtle and understated design compared to the Pro models, which often attract more attention than necessary. For many users, that extra level of simplicity and comfort becomes a genuine advantage. The first major area where the iPhone 17 stands out is its dramatically improved display. Apple has finally equipped the base model with a truly high-end screen that feels premium from the moment you turn it on. The screen reaches up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, making it extremely easy to use even under harsh sunlight. Whether you are texting on a bright day, watching videos, or adjusting camera settings outdoors, visibility is always clear and vibrant. Apple also introduced a new variable refresh rate that can switch anywhere from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. This means you get incredibly smooth scrolling, responsive gaming, and fluid animations when needed, while also conserving battery life during static content. The screen is further enhanced with PWM dimming for users who are sensitive to flickering, creating a more comfortable viewing experience. Combined with slimmer bezels, more vivid colors, and Apple's new ceramic shield too, the display now matches the quality of flagship-level devices without charging the customer a premium price. Another major upgrade Apple introduced this year is the redesigned selfie camera. For many users, especially those who love taking pictures, attending video calls, or creating social media content, the front camera plays an essential role. Apple has implemented a 24-megapixel square sensor, and what makes this new sensor impressive is that it can intelligently switch between vertical and horizontal compositions depending on how many people are detected in the frame. This removes the need to manually adjust angles or switch formats while taking group selfies or recording videos. Video quality has also improved significantly thanks to the additional sensor information, which results in smoother stabilization and more natural motion. These enhancements apply across every iPhone 17 model, meaning even the base version benefits from Apple's upgraded camera technology. Battery life has seen improvements as well. While the increase in battery capacity is not massive, the combination of the slightly larger battery and the new variable refresh rate results in more efficient power usage throughout the day. Users will notice fewer drops in battery percentage during normal usage, and the device manages background tasks more effectively. Charging speeds have been boosted too, allowing the phone to reach higher battery levels in shorter periods of time. This makes the iPhone 17 more reliable for daily use, especially for people who work long hours, travel frequently, or rely heavily on their phones. Performance is powered by Apple's A19 chip, which, despite not being the Pro version, still delivers remarkable strength and long-term stability. Everyday tasks such as messaging, browsing, streaming, and light gaming feel effortless. Even heavier tasks, like editing videos or running multiple apps simultaneously, run smoothly due to Apple's deep integration between hardware and software. One of the most welcomed upgrades is the increase in base storage. Apple has doubled the minimum storage from 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes. This added space gives users more freedom to store photos, apps, games, and videos without immediately running into storage issues. When compared to other phones in the same price category, the iPhone 17 offers an overall better balance of display quality, camera upgrades, battery life, and long-term performance. Of course, no phone is completely perfect, and the iPhone 17 does come with a few limitations worth noting. For example, you cannot fully utilize the entire square sensor in the default camera app for creative shots, something advanced users may wish they had access to. USB transfer speeds remain slow, especially when compared to some Android competitors that use faster ports. The phone also lacks a telephoto lens, which may disappoint those who rely heavily on zoom photography. Additionally, Apple's advanced artificial intelligence features remain unchanged on the base model, meaning some high-end smart tools are still exclusive to the Pro versions. However, these limitations feel minor when viewed against the complete set of upgrades Apple introduced this generation. The design of the iPhone 17 remains consistent with Apple's signature style, offering a familiar and polished look. The matte finish gives the device a premium texture while reducing fingerprint smudges. It maintains IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability during daily use and unexpected situations. Like previous models, the phone still wobbles slightly when lying flat because of the corner camera module, though most users quickly get used to this. Apple also added a new camera control button that functions similarly to older features like 3D Touch, providing an additional layer of convenience. The color options this year are particularly appealing, offering choices that range from soft and simple to more bold and expressive shades. When comparing the base iPhone to the Pro models, the differences exist but do not drastically affect the majority of users. The Pro models do offer advantages such as a vapor chamber for improved cooling, a telephoto lens for better zoom photography, and slightly higher camera performance overall. These features are valuable for professionals, creators, or heavy users who need maximum power and tools. But for everyday customers who simply want speed, reliability, a great screen, long battery life, and strong cameras, the regular iPhone 17 delivers all of that without forcing you to pay a higher price. The improvements Apple made this year bridge the gap between the standard and Pro models more than ever before, making the base iPhone 17 not just a good option, but the smartest and most balanced choice. The iPhone 17 base model is now the smart default choice for most users. Better display, improved selfies, longer battery, faster chip, and more storage, all at a great value. The Pro is there for specialized needs, but for the average user, the iPhone 17 is the ideal pick. Thanks for watching TechNeox. I'll see you in the next review.